Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw pink from Rainbow Friends. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with pink from Rainbow Friends, let's begin with the top of the head. So we're going to start right here, and I'll just make a small little sad face for the top of the head. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to curve it around, and then we're going to bring it back here, and you can see it's getting a little bit skinnier. Let's do that same thing over here. We're going to come up, we're going to curve it around, and then we're just going to bring it right back here. Now, starting here for the eye, let's make a nice big oval shape. And we'll do the same thing over here, just a nice big oval shape. Inside of here, we'll make another oval shape, and we'll do that same thing here, just another pretty big oval shape inside. Then we can go ahead and color in this oval shape, and when I color it in, I'm just going to leave a little bit white for kind of like a little bit of a shine or reflection in the pupil. So let's leave a little bit white right there. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that comes down on each side. And then we want to start with the mouth. So we'll begin on this side first. We're going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to go down and bring it over. We'll do that same thing over here. We're going to come out, bring it down, and come over. But not all the way, kind of leaving space in between here. Now, I want to draw the inside of the mouth in here. So we'll start at the top. Let's draw a nice long line across. And then along the bottom, we'll make another nice long line. We'll bring this line down here, and then we'll bring this line down here. Then we can add some teeth in here. Now the teeth are going to be kind of spread out, and they're going to be different sizes too, so you can make some small ones, some big ones, however you want to do it. Do that same thing over here. We'll just kind of make some small teeth, some big teeth, and just some different sizes all around here. Now, once we're done with this, we're going to make the body. So the body's pretty simple. I'm going to start by drawing a line that comes down on each side. Then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come out and down. We'll do that same thing here. We're just going to come out and down. You can see it kind of came out at an angle. Next, we're going to put a small curve at the bottom of each of our legs. Then we're going to bring this line up and in. Let's do that same thing over here. Let's just come up and in. Then we can go ahead and just draw a little line across to connect them. And there you go. There is your drawing of pink from Rainbow Friends. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.